The navigation animation using Figma. Like we will be prototyping those animation, and it's quite simple. So let's get started. So first of all, I will take a frame. You can take any frame. I will be taking a frame of 2000 pixel by 2000 pixel. It's up to you whether you take a 1920 by 1080, but I prefer that 2000 pixel is 2000 best for the social media. So once done, press R and make it round. So it's up to you. Change the color to something I think grayish tone is good. So I will be centering this. So wait, let me change the background so that you can easily have a look what's going on. Rename the screen to animation 1. So we can change the background. I will be changing it to something grayish tone. So yeah, make it white. So our animation can be visible and more prominent. So what we will be doing, we will be dragging some of the icons like we need for the navigation. So what I will be doing, I will drag this, Control C, paste it right here, and press K to like scale it equally. Alright, press K and then zoom it. Then again, it's up to you which icon do you prefer to go with the navigation, bottom navigation for the cell phone or for the app. So I'm looking for the home icon, if I can find here somewhere. So yep, there it is. I think this one is good. Press Control C, then move it right here, Control V, press K and zoom it a little bit so that it matches the perspective. And yep, so other thing, we will be finding the search icon, sorry. So I think here it is. Control C and Control V and press K so that we zooms out, and yep, that's good. So I'll be arranging the icons like this, and so it's 334. Control C. I'll be changing the sign to like V. Same here. Cool. So make it tidy. We will be centering this whole icons. Oops, my bad. Change the colors. You can change it individually, or like if you want, you can change it manually. So I will be making it a bit gray. Same goes for this search icon, like this square, and same goes for this icon. Oops, my bad. double click, and we can change the to something like this. Now we will be moving it right here, spacing it them a bit so that we can have better view like what we are doing. So I will be arranging them in center. So this is looking good. So we have just made the navigation, simple navigation bar, bottom navigation bar. So for the animation, we need to make it the copy for the animation artboard. There are 3 icons, so we need 3 artboards copy so that we have different animations throughout, for the home and for the search button and for the heart like stuff. So what I will be doing is I will be just making it orange so that when we navigate or when we hover on this icon, it changes its color to orange. Like it's black, when we hover the mouse on this icon, it changes its color into orange. So what I will be doing, changing the color, double click, make it orange or whatever color you want to go with. I think this is looking good. We can go with this color, and okay. So yeah, I think this is good. Then moving here, what I will be doing is making this same color like I did before. Same goes for this thing, and good. We are done with the home thing, we are done with the search thing. Now what we need one more copy of this artboard, and we need to change this thing back to gray. Okay, that's back into gray. Cool. So select this, double click, and make it blue. So what we have so far, we have this simple icon, like we will be making it outlined, blue outlined thingy, or you can make it any color you want. And one more thing, yeah, we can make it fill instead of outline. What I will be doing is I will be adding a fill and making the color blue and disabling the, I think, yeah, I will be disabling this whole blue thing. This is good because this is almost already in outline state. Yeah, but for the heart thing, we can change the outline to fill, adding fill, making it blue, and disabling this. So we are done with this. So we will be moving towards the prototype. I will be making some gaps so that we can have a better view of the prototype thing. So moving towards prototype, and first we will be setting this to eyes to none. You can change the background color, but I will be sticking with the yellowish thingy. So yeah, I will be pressing this animation thing, moving toward prototype, and so what I will do, I will move this cursor to here, and you see this plus icon. This means you can move this arrow towards the second artboard, because so this pop-ups will appear, this pop-up thing will appear. So we need to focus on that when we click on this animation, or this navigation bar, it will be moving toward animation to artboard, and instead of instant animation I will be moving this towards smart animate, and instead of navigate to we will be making it swap overlay, and you can make the animation slower and faster by making the change in the time. I will be making it at 300 millisecond. So again, from here to there I will be making it on click. Navigate to, instead of navigate I will be changing it to swap overlay, and smart animate, ease out. I think ease in and out back is good. Same for this, I will be changing it to ease in and out back. And now for the animation 3 artboard, move it right here, change to swap overlay, ease in and back, and from this we want to cycle that so that it repeats itself, and on click and smart animate, ease in and back. So yeah, we are good. I will be making the prototype. Let's see. So we will be switching to fit so that we can have a better look, and I will be clicking this artboard, this, then we have the smooth animation. So this is how you can animate your artboard or your navigation bar in various ways. So I hope you like this tutorial. So please make sure to subscribe my channel.